If you're planning to open your own bakery or cafe, you're going to need a terrific logo that sets the tone for your business. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and today I want to show you how easy it is to create your own bakery or cafe logo with the logo maker from Placeit. But before I do, let's define exactly what a logo is and what the key components of logo design are. A logo is a symbol that helps identify and promote a brand. Logos usually take the form of an abstract or illustrative symbol. Some businesses use text alone with a distinct font for their logo, but most companies tend to combine a symbol with text, which makes their logo much easier to remember. Color is another very important component of logo design that affects our emotions and behaviors and plays a critical role in designing a successful logo. With just 3 elements to consider, what could go wrong? Well, unfortunately, putting these 3 elements together is a skill that designers train for years to hone. But don't worry, we know you don't have years to spare. You have a business to run, and that's where the Placeit logo maker comes in. Placeit provides you with hundreds of gorgeous bakery and cafe logo templates that you can customize to create your own unique logo in a matter of minutes. Let me show you how. Go to placeit.net, select Logos, then Bakeries or Coffee Shops from the drop-down menu. Enter the name of your business and hit Apply. All the available templates for bakeries will update with your company name. Browse the templates, and when you find one you like, click on it. This will open it up in the logo maker. To customize your template, start with the controls on the left and work on your text. You can change or add text, change the font style, and color. When you're done, move to the controls on the right. You can choose a graphic from those offered, or if you have a specific image in mind, you can type a term in the search bar to find the perfect image. I'm going to choose this graphic. Now I'll choose my color scheme. Starting from the top, I'll choose a background color for my logo. Then I'll choose the main and accent colors. You can resize and move around all the elements in your design, and if you don't like what you've done, you can hit the Reset Layout button to revert to your default layout. Once you've completed your customizations and are satisfied with your design, hit the Download button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the download page where you have 2 options for purchasing your logo. You can either pay a single fee for your logo or sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription that offers you unlimited downloads of Placeit's designs, mock-ups, logos, videos, and gaming templates. Here's the logo design I created with the Placeit logo maker. I used the Placeit mockup generator to test how the design would look in real-life scenarios. You can find all sorts of terrific mockups at placeit.net mockups. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video with a thumbs up. And if you want to see other terrific videos from Envato Tuts Plus, subscribe today because we're worth it. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.